TotalScope, through a strategic partnership with Boston Scientific, provides an important alternative to endoscope repair. We know you are looking for the quality of OEM repair experience with customer service, flexibility, and turnaround time that only a company focused solely on repair can provide.
We are a premier independent endoscope repair company that has been setting the standard for quality since 1993. We are certified to the quality standard ISO 13485, which is specific to the medical device industry for service, repair, and maintenance of flexible endoscopes and other medical instrumentation. These are the same standards followed by the scope manufacturers.
We have a proven track record of providing excellent customer service, and we provide on-site education to lab staff. Our representatives are always available to answer questions. We have a web portal which allows 24/7 secure online access where a customer can initiate repairs, track repair history, and access account information and reports. And we honor your OEM warranty.
But what about our costs? Our pricing is competitive, predictable, and transparent. No surprises, no overages. We offer a variety of payment programs to suit your needs. And we're fast. 90% of minor repairs are repaired same day, and 3 to 5 days for major repairs, with free loaners available.
The question shouldn't be, why would you use TotalScope? It really is, why wouldn't you?
Again, we operate at the highest standard. We're priced to better fit your budget. We're focused on providing top-notch customer service. Replacement parts are always new parts that have been engineered to OEM specifications. And we have a national presence.
For your next scope repair,
Choose TotalScope.